If you are looking for something to design for yourself or even advertisements, maybe this is the right place for you. I have got some inquiries from my friends. Yeah, I need to design this thing, I need to then design that thing, but they don't have any Photoshop knowledge. So I decided myself, so why don't I teach something that I know just to help your business. So let's get into this. So how you can equip with designing skills. If you don't have any Photoshop knowledge, so that's totally fine. So this is the basic knowledge, and you can make your own advertisements for your business. Okay, let's dive in. I hope everybody will have Google or the internet connection, whichever the browser that you have. You can easily find the website called name canva.com. So I will put that link in below, and also I actually make a small just like a small demonstration for you. So this is actually I'm going to make Facebook back cover. So the main question, how's the resolution? So I really don't know what's the resolution of the Facebook back cover or back page, or which actually you call Facebook cover. So the thing is, you can easily go to the Google and you can just type Facebook page cover resolution size. So from here actually they will give us 820 pixels wide, 312 pixels. So this is the information that we need, because the other shows that it's only for a smartphone. That is totally fine, because now we are using a laptop. So let's go into the Canva. So okay, I will go back into the home page. So actually you can see how we can do step by step. So make sure you have 820 times 312. So you go to the home page and you can create a design. Then you can come into here, customer dimensions, and also if you need their help, they have number of templates in their websites. If you want to use it, some of the features are only available for pro version. So I'm actually using the custom dimensions because it's easy for me. So type 820 times 312 pixels. Actually you can just here even the size. So in here we just find out using pixels. So we use pixels 820 times 312. Then we create a design. Okay, it will take a small time to create our design. So let's say if you want to resize whenever you actually want it, yes you can do. So the function here called resize, you can use that, but just to make sure now the resize button is available when you have a pro version. You may need some credit to use that. I mean, if you are really a pro designer, or actually you want to use it very often, I mean, you might be thinking it's the best investment for yourself if you wanted to have a pro version, and it will actually open up for you a large amount of image galleries and amazing functions for yourself. So I just need a small the Facebook back page. So what I need to do, I need to actually upload something that I need. So in here you can see upload button. So once you go to the upload button, you can see I actually already upload a few of my the images that I wanted. So okay, and here's a very nice picture that I actually took. So it's actually panorama version, so you can actually just slightly input here which amount. Okay, and you can just move around. Even you can make it with few different pictures. So I show you how to do. So I will delete this picture, and there's another function called elements. Okay, elements, when you actually go down to grid, so you can see all the grids. So you can put a pictures the grid that you like. So my grid is something like a very wide grid, so I'll choose something like this one. So they will actually divide into all the images for me. Then I will go back to the again uploads, then I'll just pinch here, then just it's automatically they resize it for you. If let's say actually the spacing is too high for you, then you can click the spacing and you can minimize that spacing as well, or you can just maximize the spacing as well. It's just up to you. I like to keep a small spacing. Let's say you want to type something, okay, you can go to the text box and you can choose wide variety of the text that they have. You can choose either one. Let's say just pick one randomly, just click here, then it will appear here. Then whichever the part that you do want, you can just delete away, and the part you want you can just keep it, and cheers or happy vacation. So once you type, you can actually just arrange a bit. Okay, once you can just arrange a bit, and you can even change the color of the font, even photo colors, you can use it. So put the default colors in here, like this color. It's not that much good, so what I will do, I think white color should be good. So white color, no. Maybe choose again. So okay, the dark blue, okay, good. So and the other part is actually transparency. So once you actually can just change the transparency, then you can see, okay, my wordings, which is happy vacation word, will be clearly can see, and you can make the transparency also. And also you can go to the filter. There's a couple of filters actually. You can just choose whichever you like, and you can make the intensity go up and low. Okay, and maybe I choose this picture with this solar, and maybe this picture with another filter like retro, and this actually you can just play around with the all the filters that you like. Sometimes it look amazing with different filters. Those epic. Okay, this looks nice. The transparency I can change a bit more. Application, or you can even use some motivational quote for your background as well. So you can just download here. You can just share link, anything. You can just download, and they will ask you the PNG, JPG, all the different formats that they have, even PDF, high quality, and the standard and everything. It's already here. Mostly we actually use JPG or PNG. That's the most common file that actually we are using. You can use the PNG method, which is high quality image. So once you're done, you can just download. It will automatically download into your computer. So okay, this is, you can just try the Canva for 30 days if you want it. So this is the small demonstration that you can do from your home, any logo design or anything. I hope you have learned something, a small skill, so that actually you can create your own design, own logo design, or whichever advertisement, even Facebook post, or even YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, you can actually make thumbnails, or you can even make the picture slides, because the PowerPoint, yes, we can use PowerPoint for the picture, the presentation slides, but in order to design, and in order to actually do something like a modification for your pictures, you can come here and you can actually do some editing for the pictures. Then actually you can use that same pictures in your PowerPoint slide, which is much nicer. You can use it in many different ways. So this is the small tips that might be helpful for your business to lift up, because I know that this season is very good for the online based marketing, online based businesses. If your business is not doing online, I suggest think about it, go for online business and try to do your business online and reach out to the people and make use of this time, because people are now engaged more and more online and social media platforms. So this is for today, and I hope this short video will guide you something. I will, as I said, I will put the link below in the my comment section and also below the video. And if you have any question, if you face any problems in your business, please let me know, then I may be able to help you. If I do not know, I can refer you sometime that yes, I think he might know that you can help. Okay, so have a nice day and thank you. See you in next video.